Want to know how to see your chat history in Kimi? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi 2.5 website or the application on your phone. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here, the simple interface. Now, make sure you are logged in as well in order to see your chat history, where was the creator video on how to log in. So make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're on this interface, on the bottom left side, you should be seeing your current profile right here. So you can just simply select that. So on the bottom left side, you should be seeing various options, and right below Kimi code, you should be seeing chat history. So you can just simply select that. And here you can see all chats. And now it should be showing your chat history by default, so chat history. So for me right now, I have not, but if you have any, it should show something like this right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.